Breaking news, Nigerians. Another problem hit up as APC reviews what will happen next after Supreme Court judgment sees shocking things they exposed. In a recent development, the APC has shed light on the potential impact of Tinubu's certificate situation on Atiku's pending case at the Supreme Court. While both cases revolved around political figures, it is essential to understand that they pertain to distinct legal matters in the country. Tinubu's certificate issue centers around allegations of discrepancies in his educational qualifications. This controversy has prompted questions about his eligibility for public office. It's important to note that such concerns are not uncommon in the political arena, with previous cases involving various politicians. On the other hand, Atiku's case is unrelated to educational credentials. His legal battle likely pertains to a separate matter such as electoral disputes or constitutional interpretations. It is crucial to avoid conflicting these cases as they stem from different legal contexts. The Supreme Court decision in Atiku's case will be based on the specific merits and circumstances surrounding his situation. The outcome will be influenced by the legal argument, evidence presented, and adherence to established legal principles. Any reference to Tinubu's certificate issue would likely be irrelevant to Atiku's case unless there is a direct legal precedent that applies. Ultimately, the APC statements regarding Tinubu's situation should be analyzed in the context of their effort to address the concerns raised. However, drawing parallels to Atiku's case based on his statement may not be appropriate as the legal foundations of these cases are distinct. In conclusion, while both Tinubu and Atiku are prominent figures in Nigerian politics, their legal cases involved separate issues. It is imperative to consider each case independently, focusing on the specific legal argument and evidence presented. Any attempt to correlate the two cases should be approached with caution, recognizing the unique legal complexities surrounding such situation. Meanwhile, in another news headline, Judge Barry Howell has dismissed transparency activist Aaron Greenspan's request for an urgent hearing regarding the expedited release of confidential records pertaining to Nigerian President Bola Tinubu. This decision provides a temporary reprieve to President Tinubu as it denies an immediate release of his files, compelled by American law enforcement agencies. Mr. Greenspan had filed a motion on October 20 urging Judge Howell to order the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the State Department, and other U.S. government bodies to promptly disclose records that were scheduled for release by the end of October. His emergency motion sought a hearing to compel immediate document production, which Judge Howell denied, stating that no hearing was necessary to determine the merit of this motion. The urgency of Mr. Greenspan's request stemmed from President Tinubu's sudden deployment of lawyers to oppose the release of these records. The president argued that such a release would infringe upon his privacy and other statutory rights. So Mr. Greenspan contended that President Tinubu's action were intended to delay the release of these documents, and these agencies had previously committed to releasing the records in batches, effective by the end of October, to avoid any impact on the ongoing election dispute at the Nigerian Supreme Court. On Monday, the 7th Justice had argument from President Tinubu's legal team and lawyers representing his main challenger, Atiku Abubakar. Mr. Greenspan's involvement in Nigeria political controversies date back to where his website was inundated with inquiries from Nigerians seeking information about a 1993 case in which Mr. Tinubu forfeited over $460,000 to the US government due to money laundering linked to drug trafficking in Chicago. The records Mr. Greenspan sought had the potential to shed light on Mr. Tinubu's true identity, especially the name he used during his initial travels to the United States. Many years ago, it was known that the Nigerian president had used multiple identities in his past. So guys, let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.